सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तं वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Let me just take a few minutes to answer some of the questions which I had yesterday. Energy Darshan. During Energy Darshan, people were asking me some of the questions about the technique. I thought if I answer here, put it in record, it will be useful for future. It's a wonderful question. They asked me, when I said that when you are in love with somebody, you experience the other person as God, then when we are not in love with that person, he loses the divinity or what? Understand, nobody loses the divinity. You lose the ability to recognize the divinity. Yesterday I made an important statement. When you are in love with the Master, he will not only you will feel he is God, and all miracles which you feel or expect should happen in the presence of God will happen in front of him, in his presence. You will see all those things happening. But when that love is lost, when you don't have that love, you won't see those miracles happening in his presence. You may be the same person and he will be the same person, but those miracles will not be happening. Somebody asked me, why? Then the Master loses enlightenment or what? No. He doesn't lose. You lose the ability to recognize or connect with that enlightenment. And people ask me, are you God? I tell them it depends on you. It depends on you. I am constantly available, open. If you want to connect with me as a teacher, you can connect with me and carry the knowledge. If you want to connect with me in the level of master, you can have initiation. See, only master can initiate, teacher can't initiate. Teacher can teach, master can initiate. If you connect with me at the level of God or divine, ultimate energy, you will carry the experience itself, not just initiation. How much your inner space is made available for me, that's all. See, if you relate just intellectually, you will carry the knowledge. If you relate with a little bit of emotion, little bit of love, you will carry the initiation. Means whatever I can't express through words also will go into you. Like the whole software will be sent, transmitted. If you are able to connect with a being deeply, you don't need initiation. The very experience will be transmitted. It depends on the person, to what level he connects, to what level he experiences. I always tell people, bhakti, or the feeling connected to the Master, is such an ultimate thing. Never miss it if at all you got it in your life. Never miss it. It is too costly. It is too much to miss it. Do not, even if you miss your things in the outer world, it is okay. If you miss your ideas which you carry in the inner world, that is also okay. In English there is a proverb. If you lose wealth, nothing is lost. If you lose your health, something is lost. If you lose your character, everything is lost. I think even if you lose your character, nothing is lost. Only if you lose the connection with the Master, everything is lost. That is such a deep thing, ultimate blessing. Never miss it if at all you got it. If you feel that constant feeling connected has happened in you, do not miss it at any cost. See, throw away any idea which comes in between you and him. Anything can be lost, but not this feeling connection. People come and tell me. Sometimes, even your ideas about morality can create gap. I have seen many people feeling the gap just because of this gold jewelry. Because traditionally, a sannyasi, a swami is not, usually they don't wear this. In those days, because when they wander, it is difficult to maintain. Naturally, you see, it's an unnecessary harassment. And people think, why is he wearing such big gold jewelry? The big problem is, I neither feel connected nor feel hatred. Somebody made it, it was looking really nice, I also enjoy, so I wear, that's all. I wore over. When the work is over, when I get down, first thing will be, I will remove it and put it aside. Very simple things. Your ideas about morality also may stand sometime in between. Anything can be lost, but not the connection with the master. Because if that one thing is kept alive, so many things can happen in you. So many things can happen. The possibility is available. The doors are open. The bridge is not burnt. Still the bridge is alive. If the feeling connected, if that is taken away, whatever you may try, nothing is going to work. I always tell people, by begging $1, you will never become a billionaire. Have you seen anybody becoming billionaire just by begging $1? No. Same way, there is nobody who achieved enlightenment by meditating every day. Begging $1 is like meditating every day 10 minutes. And what will you achieve? If you want to become a billionaire, some billionaire should write a will in your name. That's the only possibility. Because by the time you beg $100 every day, you have to spend for survival. Same way, every day you meditate for half an hour, you have to spend that whole energy for the 24 hours. You can never become a billionaire by begging $1. You can never become enlightened just meditating 10 minutes, 20 minutes every day. Only if a billionaire writes a will, you will become billionaire. Same way, only a master writes will, the enlightenment is achieved. That is why so much of emphasis is put on the master's presence and the Guru Kripa in our traditions. Even though few people exploited those concepts, sitting in the chair, sitting in the seat without becoming enlightened, those concepts can't be rejected because that has helped too many people. Understand? Only one Ramakrishna became enlightened using that Kali Murti, 3 feet Kali Murti. And we spent crores of rupee creating the temple and maintaining the temple. But I always tell people, it is worthy. Your 1000 temple is worthy of one Ramakrishna. If there is a possibility for one Ramakrishna, means build thousands of temples. Nothing wrong. In India, that is why constantly every street will have a temple. Temples are getting erected, getting installed. Because even if one Ramakrishna happens, it's a big blessing. One Ramakrishna is worthy of 200 Kali temples. Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. Millions of rupees, crores of hours of man-hour, everything is worthy.
Nityam Sharanam Gacchami, Dhyanam Sharanam Gacchami, Anandam Sharanam Gacchami, Nityanandam Sharanam Gacchami.
Nityam Sharanam